were dancing. The lights so low, so low, so low, so low. Cares are forgotten. Cares are forgotten. Cares are forgotten. When I'm. Cares are forgotten. Cares are forgotten. Cares are forgotten. When I'm.
Hey, I'm home. At least you're here for my homecoming, Planty. Planty, did you hear me? Hey, I'm here for the whole week. We can do all the stuff we did in the summer. It's me and you. Planty. Is this your version of the cold shoulder? You knew I was gonna be gone for a couple months. I don't know why you're being like this. Hey, stoic Planty. Can you at least give me some kind of assurance that we're good? Planty. Oh my God. I don't know why you're being like this. It was hard on me too, okay? Hey, at least let me water you. It's probably been a while, right? Why the fuck are your rocks wet? No. No, don't give me the fucking cold shoulder. Who watered you? Planty. Talk to me. Who the fuck watered you? Who would have waltzed in? No. No. Please don't tell me. Don't tell me it was Don't tell me it was my mom. Planty. Please tell me it wasn't my mom. Tell me it wasn't my fucking mom! Please! You're a fucking whore. I didn't mean that. Oh shit. Planty, I didn't mean that. Planty, it just slipped out, I swear to God. I did not mean that. I don't even care. I don't care if my mom watered you. I'm over it. Planty, please. Just talk to me. I should have known. Even in the summer, you were always thirsty. You were always fucking thirsty. And sometimes I forgot to water you. And you always held that against me. But I'm here now. Are you thirsty now? Do you want water, Planty? I'll go get you some fucking water! Son of a fuck. There's your water! Planty, please don't drown. Planty.
I never wanted things to end like this.
Ian, you finally made it home. Come give me a hug.
One sec, Mom. I'm trying to have a moment.
Okay. Oh, Ian, before I forget, I watered your plant, so don't water it.
In my heart I have but one desire.